it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super quick video for you, and it is one of my favorite summer dessert recipes. Today we are making rhubarb crisp. Crisps, pies, and cobblers are my favorite things to eat in the summer. I grew up eating like blueberry pies and peach cobblers, and there's actually recipes for those in my cookbooks just because they are just literally one of my favorite things to make. I love rhubarb. It's like tart, and then you have the like sweet crisp, and it's perfect with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream. So that is all I have to say for now. Let's get into it. So you want to start by washing and chopping your rhubarb, and make sure you remove the leaves because you can't eat the leaves. I'm pretty sure they're poisonous. So make sure you just have the stalks like this. I just got this from a farmer's market this morning. And then you just want to cut off any sort of dry like end pieces. And I actually just decided I wanted to add in some strawberries. You can do a mix of both, or you can just do rhubarb, totally up to you, but strawberry rhubarb is such a good combo. So then you want to get a big mixing bowl and add in your strawberries and rhubarb, your cornstarch, and your white sugar, and just stir it together until it's all coated. So then you just want to pour it into your baking dish. This is a super like random size baking dish. I got this at Value Village and I measured it, and it's like 10.5 by 6. So I'm pretty sure that's not a standard size, but it's really cute. So you can use any sort of casserole dish about this size. You could use an 8 by 8 square baking pan, just anything that's kind of a similar-ish size to this that will fit all of your fruits. So you just want to pour it in and just smooth it into an even layer. Okay, so then you just want to set that aside for a couple minutes, and you can actually use the exact same mixing bowl to make the crisp topping. So all you have to do is add in your oats, your packed brown sugar, or flour. And I forgot to mention, if you want this to be gluten-free, you can just use a gluten-free baking blend because we use cornstarch in here, so that's gluten-free. And then just make sure your oats are certified gluten-free, but super easy to make this a gluten-free recipe. And your cinnamon, and then just use a whisk to mix that all together until it's mostly combined. So then you want to add in your vegan margarine. So I'm using the Baicel vegan margarine. You can also use solid vegan butter as well, like the sticks, but you just want to chop it up into really tiny pieces before you do this part. So I find that margarine works just fine, and I find it easier to mix into the topping. So you're just going to add that in, and then I honestly just kind of use my whisk to break it up and make it a crumbly mixture. Okay, so then once it is nice and crumbly, you can just put it on top of your fruit. And I like to just use my hands to kind of crumble it over top just to make sure that it is in an even layer and there's no spots missing topping, because that would be so sad. And then you want to bake it in your 375 Fahrenheit oven for about 35 minutes until it's nice and crispy on top. Okay, so it looks nice and golden brown on top. You can see all the fruit is nice and caramelized, so that means it's done. So we're gonna do a taste test, and I'm so excited. Gosh, it's so hot. And of course, I just have some vanilla ice cream, because you can't have fruit crisp without ice cream. Oh my gosh, this honestly tastes like the summers of my childhood. Like, we used to have crisp pretty much every week when I was younger. And it's just the perfect mix of like gooey brown sugar, crispy oatmeal topping with the cold ice cream. It's like actually the best combination in the whole world. And adding the strawberries was a good touch, but you can definitely make this with any fruit you have this summer. I mean, not like bananas, but any berries, any stone fruits like peaches, plums, strawberries, oh I said berries, rhubarb, apples, pears, so many options, and it turns out amazing every time. Okay, you guys have to make this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your crisp whenever you try it out. If you do, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I'm at itslivb, and I love seeing your recreations so that I can reshare them on my stories, so make sure you tag me. That is everything for me today. Don't forget to check out my blog because I have new recipes going up pretty much every single day of the week, so that's just itslivb.com, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!